In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on two-step verification on your LinkedIn account. Switching on your two-step verification gives you additional security by providing a verification code whenever you sign in on new device. So this has become essential for your safety and security measures. And to turn on this two-step verification is pretty simple and easy. So make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. On your LinkedIn home feed, on the top left corner, proceed to click on your profile icon. Then scroll down to click on settings. Under settings, proceed to click on sign in and security. Among the bunch of menus here, scroll down to click on two-step verification. So this will land you on an interface like this. And to set up your two-step verification, proceed to click on setup. So you can see, choose your verification method, whether you want to use an authentication app or you want to use your phone number. In our case, we can proceed to click on phone number. So what this does is basically anytime someone sign in into your LinkedIn account on a different device, an SMS will be sent to your phone number for you to verify it before the person gain access into your LinkedIn account. So after entering this, you can proceed to click on continue. So this is our current phone number and you have to enter your LinkedIn password. After that, you can proceed to click on send. But when you click on send code, a verification code will be sent to your current number that you have provided here for you to enter it back onto your LinkedIn account. So this is just to make sure your account is secure and is accessed by the current owner of the account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.